Yes, welcome back to the chapter of permutations and combinations. We were discussing about permutations. So we knew that permutations are the number of arrangements, special types of arrangements. Okay, so let's continue permutation. See the question: in how many different ways can we arrange the letters of the word rose, R-O-S-E, if letters are repeated? So R-O-S-E, there are 4 letters and you have to frame different words by using the word R-O-S-E. So for example, first word is the same, R-O-S-E. Second word can be taken as R-S-O-E. Third word can be taken as R-E-O-S, and so on. So how many such words can be formed? And this is the question. So how many means number of permutations. So to frame 4 letter words, I am taking 4 columns. First column, second column, third column and fourth column. Here repetitions are allowed. Suppose this first column can be filled with any of these letters. R കൊണ്ട് fill ചെയ്യാം, or O കൊണ്ട് fill ചെയ്യാം, S കൊണ്ട് fill ചെയ്യാം, E കൊണ്ട് fill ചെയ്യാം. So anyway, 4 types of arrangements can be done here. 4. ഇവിടെ വന്നത് നെക്സ്റ്റ് കോളത്തിലും വേണമെങ്കിൽ സംഭവിക്കാം. So any of these letters can also be filled in this column also. So number of different ways or number of permutations is what? 4 itself. Similarly here 4. Here also 4, because what? Repetition is allowed. Otherwise the 3 out, the 2 out, the 1 out. But here repetition is allowed, therefore 4, 4, and by using the principle of counting, our total number of arrangements is about 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, so 4 raised to 4 is the answer. What happens when repetition is not allowed with 4, then over 3, suppose 4 letters can be written here, so if one letter is used here, that letter cannot be used here. So one in this column you have to fill 4 minus 1, that is 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, so total number of arrangements by principle of counting 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is what? 24. Answer is 24. So this type of series 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, it is simply denoted as 4 factorial. This is a symbol, 4 factorial. It is read as what? 4 factorial. So what is 5 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 10 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. 4 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, or 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So now you have learned a new term or new concept, factorial. So factorial expression is used when repetition is not allowed. Right. Consider the word rose. Again rose. Find the number of 3-letter words without meaning which can be formed out. Repetition not allowed. Find the number of 3-letter words. Yes, okay. In this question, number of 4-letter words. Here 4 letters are used, so 4-letter words, and that is the previous question. How many different 4 columns, 4-letter words. But in this question, you are asked to list out 3-letter words. So only 3 columns are used here. So as in the previous case, this column can be filled with any of the 4 letters. So this will happen with 4 entries. 4. What 3 out, because repetition is not allowed. 3 out. What 2 out. Okay. Factorial concept like a theta. If there is one more column, you have to fill here 1. Then that is answer is 4 factorial. What answer is about 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 3 into 2. So using here, so this is all about the answer, but we are going to frame an equation, a formula. 4 into 3 into 2. This 4 into, what is 3? 4 minus 1. What is 2? 4 minus 2. This 4 into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 2. Okay. Or 4 into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus, what is 2? 2 means 3 minus 1. Right. Generally, 4 means n into n minus 1 into n minus Suppose r minus 1. ഇത്രയും r സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു മാത്രം. So n into n minus 1 into n minus r minus 1. Okay. So generally the number of permutations of n different objects taken are at a time. ഇവിടെ ആറിന് പകരം നമ്മൾ 3 എടുത്തു മാത്രം. So number of permutations of n objects taken n at a time. The number of permutations of n different objects taken, suppose ഇത് n ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു, n at a time. n at a time നേരത്തെ റോസിൻ്റെ കാര്യം പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ here you are given 4-letter word and you are asked to find number of 4-letter words. 4-letter word കൊടുത്തു, you are asked to find number of 4-letter words. അങ്ങനെ പറയുമ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മൾ 4 ഫാക്ടോറിയൽ എന്ന് വരിക. ഇനി ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്താണ്? യു ആർ ഗിവൺ എ 4-letter വേർഡ് ആൻഡ് യു ആർ ആസ്ക്ഡ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് 3-letter വേർഡ്സ്. കറക്റ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ആർ എന്ന് പറയാൻ കാരണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എൻ തന്നെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യായിരുന്നു. Number of permutations of n different objects taken are at a time. What is r? r is either equal to n or less than n. ഒന്നുകിൽ n തന്നെയാവും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ n-നെക്കാൾ ചെറുതാവും അല്ലേ. ഇപ്പോൾ റോസ്, there is 4 digits ROSE. ഈ 4 digit വേർഡ് കൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 5-letter വേർഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഓക്കെ, then repetitions may be allowed, but here repetitions are not allowed. And what is the formula? n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into last n minus r minus 1. So you have to learn this one, and it is denoted as NPR, number of permutations taken are at a time. Number of permutations taken are at a time. First you write n, then its suffix p, then its suffix r, NPR. Right. n ആദ്യം എഴുതുക, ലേശം താഴെ p എഴുതുക, കുറച്ച് താഴെ r എഴുതുക. So NPR. NPR is what? n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. into n minus r minus 1. So this is the formula to find the number of permutations. Right. What is factorial? 3 factorial. What? 3 into 2 into 1 or 1 2 into 3, that is 6. Find 7 factorial minus 5 factorial. 7 factorial this one, 5 factorial this one. So answer is 4920. What is 7 factorial over 5 factorial? 7 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. 5 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Up to 5 we can cancel. So remaining what? 6 into 7, 48. What is 12 factorial divided by 10 factorial and 2 factorial? So 12 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to 12. 10 factorial up to 10. 2 factorial 1 into 2, that is 2. So you can cancel. Or here simple way, 12 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 12. So up to 10 is what? Up to 10 means 10 factorial, isn't it? 10 factorial into then 11 into 12. That is 10 factorial into 11 into 12. Here denominator 10 factorial and 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 then. This 10 factorial and 10 factorial can be cancelled. So answer is what? 66. Okay. Similarly, this question. Evaluate n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial when n is equal to 5 and r equal to 2. So you have to find, or you have to replace n as 5 and r as 2. So 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial. This 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. What is 5 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Up to 3 you have to take 3 factorial. The remaining 4 into 5. മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? 5 factorial എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Up to 3 is 3 factorial, then remaining 4 into 5. 2 factorial 1 into 2 തന്നെ. 3 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 or 3 factorial. These 3 factorial can be cancelled, so answer is 10. This one. If 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial is equal to x by 10 factorial, find x. 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by, what is 9 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. Up to 8 there is 8 factorial, then remaining 9. So 9 factorial means 8 factorial into 9. Similarly, x divided by 8 factorial into 9 into 10. This means what? 10 factorial. So from each term 1 by 8 factorial can be taken outside. So 1 plus 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by 8 factorial outside. So x by 9 into 10. 1 by 8 factorial can be cancelled, so remaining എഴുതി വെച്ചു, ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. സോ യു ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് എക്സ്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. If 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equal to x by 8 factorial, find the value of x. Same type. 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial means 6 factorial into 7. X by 8 factorial means what? X by 6 factorial into 7 into 8. 8 factorial. അപ്പോൾ കോമൺ എടുക്കേണ്ട കോമൺ എടുത്തു, കട്ട് ചെയ്തു. സോ x is equal to 64. Similarly, is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 7 factorial? അത് നോക്കാം. What is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial? 3 factorial 1 into 2 into 3, 4 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, so answer is 30. Right hand side 7 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 to 5 into 6 into 7. So you have to multiply this for the answer, that is never 30. ഇത് 30 ആണ്, 30 ആയിരിക്കില്ല. നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടു നോക്കുക, കാൽക്കുലേറ്ററിൽ ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കണ്ടു നോക്കുക. സോ ദീസ് ടു ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആർ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ്, therefore this is not true. Therefore LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, that is all about this question. In this section we will meet again with this chapter. Okay, thank you for watching.